Hi there, and welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Whether it's your first time visiting or you've been around for a while, thank you for stopping by. On this channel, we dive into insightful ideas, share helpful tips, and explore topics that truly matter. So make yourself comfortable, feel free to explore, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out. Let's learn, grow, and have a little fun along the way. Ready? Let's get started.
So you go to ChatGPT and create your avatar. You tell ChatGPT what you want your avatar to look like. This is mine and we'll be working with this. Now we go to how do you choose create videos, choose image to videos. Now we'll upload our picture. We'll go and add prompts. This is just saying what you want your avatar to be doing. You can also get this from ChatGPT. So we generate. This takes some few seconds because we're using free version. Now it's done. We'll download with WATERMARKS because we're using free version. I created two because I want my intro to be about 30 seconds. Then I'll go to CapCut and merge these two videos. Now I'm merging them to give me 30 seconds. So fix it the way you want. This is mine. I'll save. Now I have to create a voiceover. So go back to ChatGPT, tell ChatGPT to give us a script of 30 seconds welcoming my viewers. It has given me this and I like it. So I'm going to copy. I'm going to 11 Labs. I'll paste it. Now I'll choose the voice I want. So these are other voices.
You gotta be careful if you don't know where you're going because you might not get.
We have committed the golden rule to memory.
Let me tell you what my grandpa told.
You gotta be
Stick
careful if
with
you don't know where you're
Rachel.
going because you might
You
not
can
get
also
there.
search for other voices if you want. That's the part. So search for any voice, storytelling, narrator, whatever you want, you get it. But I'm sticking with Rachel because I like her voice. So now we generate speech.
Hi there, and welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Whether it's your first time visiting or you've been around for a
That's fine for me, so download it. Now we'll go to Dreamface and we choose video lip sync. Choose the video. You can also choose photo, but since I'm working with video, I'm choosing video, which I've done on CapCut. Now save. You upload your audio, which you did from 11 Lab. So uploading. You can also choose to record, but since you have audio, will generate. Yeah, generating. We're also using the free version, so you can remove watermarks also. So I'm going to also show you how to remove watermarks. Just stay tuned. Download. Yeah, now I have a moving avatar. Now go to any erase to take away. This works perfectly for me, but it's not going to work too much for this my avatar because of the position. So when creating your avatar, make sure you have a space at the down part so that once you do this erase, it will give you a good fitting because you're going to see what I'm talking about. It's going to give you a blur mark. So when you have a space there, it will not affect your avatar. So if your avatar is like mine, I'm also going to show you other ways to cover that watermark. But this is the results we get from this. This app works very well. It's a free version also.
Hi there, and welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Whether it's your first time visiting or you've been around for a while,
Now you
thank
can
you.
see it's blurry. So I'm going to choose Canva to take out my watermark. Now I'll go to element, choose tables. Because I'm using the free version, they are going to be limited things for me, but I'm going to search and I will surely see something I want. This was okay, but not fitting my background, so I'll look for something else. Now this fits it more for me, so I'm going to use it, adjust it to the screen to cover my watermarks. So if an eraser doesn't work for you, you can also use Canva to cover it. But the secret is leaving a lot of space at the bottom so you can work with it easily. Now let's decorate this table. Go and choose lamp. Choose this. So I'm going to choose different things just to show you how you can work with different elements just to decorate your table. And this is a free version, so you can get some things that are okay for your table just to decorate it. Now I'll go and choose plants. Going down, selecting, we'll work with this. So just be creative and decorate. This won't be my final look. So let's add more. I'm going to choose laptop. I didn't see any laptop I like here, so I'll go back to ChatGPT to get that. So let's take a books. Let's see books. Yeah, I was able to get this, but I felt it was becoming too busy. So let's create a laptop. Go to ChatGPT, get a laptop, remove background. So now download. Now we're going to upload it in Canva. Upload. Yeah, that's fine. So select and adjust it the way we want it. So I wanted more. I wanted my channel name to be behind the Canva. Yeah. Oh, that's fine, but I want my YouTube name to be behind the laptop. So this is what ChatGPT gave me. Yeah, so I'm going to remove the background. And this was the response for removing background. So I'm going to download. Yeah, upload it on Canva. So that's it. So whatever you can get from Canva, you can always go to ChatGPT to get it. Your decoration, whatever you want. Yeah, this is fine for me. Simple and unique. So now watermarks are covered.
Feel
We'll
free to
work with this.
explore, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out. Let's learn, grow, and have a little fun along the way. Thanks so much for watching. I truly appreciate you spending your time here, and I hope you were able to learn something new and helpful. If you found this video valuable, feel free to like, comment, or share it with someone who might enjoy it too. Until next time, take care and keep growing.